Audio protected.
$1,000 after she was struck head on by an 18-wheeler and suffered a head injury and fractured gout. You have one chance to win big.
Call Tim Adler now. 210-531-0000. With Progressive's Home Quote Explorer, you can check if you're paying too much for home insurance, because giving you options is the right thing to do.
Oh, you mean like when I let someone with less groceries go?
Not my Bondo.
Does anyone else think it's like super weird being an adult? Like I'm just unsupervised like all the time. It's so unsafe.
Are you serious?
Holy shit. Holy shit. Jesus Christ.
Just jumping out of planes. Okay, Salt Lake, it's fine. Have you ever wished that you could get a snapshot? I love reading stories that occurred during World for our audience. Go to Blinkist.com. Premium subscriptions for the price of one.
Okay, Carmen.
Comes back around
Save video.
He throws the supply. Wind, it misses the target, hits the edge of the tower, bounces off the top, and falls 50 feet down before getting snagged on rocks and being completely out of reach of George. Oh, shit. Leaving him with no supplies and him stuck at the top. Okay, but we'll go on. But like, yeah, it's kind of like a...
This truck was towed here because it won't start. Alright, won't start. Well, it looks like you did the invisible gas pedal mod. And, push that down. You got towed here for that.
I think she's starting to wear down. She's got a flat side.
You see Hoover Street here. Officials say it's one of the most dangerous streets in all of Los Angeles. And now
stigmatizes them so badly, and then so we push them really far away, and we put all these barriers in between productive normal and their stigmatizes them so badly, and then so we push them really far away, and we put all these barriers in between productive normal society and their drug use, and we make it almost insurmountable for them to come back. Oh, okay, you don't want to be living in a tent smoking fentanyl anymore? Well, too bad you have 7 felony convictions, outstanding court fees. You know, like, oh, you can't get housing. Oh, no, you can't get this job. And it's like people who need more help because they've been struggling with addiction.
Qué bonito, el vato anda rileando. Qué bien.
I knew it. Dude, that's
Yeah.